Hello. Most of you know me as Chuck Reed, the Barefoot Lender, but today I'm coming to you in a very apologetic mode. Back on January 15th, I made a very snarky comment about how nice the weather is down here, and I kind of really rubbed it in the nose of all my friends up north. Well, Mother Nature did not think too kindly of that. She was kind enough to dump snow in South Carolina. Snow in South Carolina. Can you only imagine what that would look like? So, Mother Nature, I apologize. I am sorry for poking the bear, but I'm so glad that the sunshine is back out again in sunny South Carolina. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!